As the numbers rise and vaccinations increase, it's become more difficult to get a COVID test. But next week, the Virginia Department of Health is hosting a clinic to help. Sarah Hammond tells us why they say testing shouldn't fall by the wayside.
In the beginning of the pandemic, you could find COVID-19 tests all over Hampton Roads.
But we are seeing anywhere from around 900 to 1,000 patients a day across all of our 13 clinics.
And as months went on, demand skyrocketed.
Most labs are backlogged because we are seeing high numbers nowadays again.
Then as the vaccines arrived, the focus shifted.
We had to redirect our efforts to vaccinations because we know that's the way we can ensure the community more long-term resistance and immunity against the virus.
Now, Dr. Param Jabari with the VDH says they want to make tests more accessible again.
However, with the increasing cases over the last several weeks and what the models indicate is that continuing surge into September, we're going to give it a try for next week using our Medical Reserve Corps volunteers.
On Wednesday, you can get a COVID-19 test at Military Circle Mall from 1 to 5 p.m. It's free for people 3 years old and up, and no pre-registration is required.
I believe it's the first of its kind in several months.
And he says with so many people still unvaccinated, testing is still a great way to slow down the spread.
I think it's prudent to really go back to also add the layer of testing simply as a means of identifying cases early, preventing the potential transmission, and just really one more tool we have in our toolbox.
Dr. Jabari says at the moment the clinic is just scheduled for this upcoming Wednesday, but depending on the turnout, they may add more dates. In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
And if you still need to get vaccinated, you can get the shot at Military Circle Mall also. Clinics are held on Tuesdays from 2 till 6, also on Thursdays from 10 till 2. No appointment necessary.